Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Active Now on Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Here you can see 3 lines. Press on this. Now scroll down. You can see here messages and story replies. Click on it. Now you'll find here show activity status. Go for it. If you want to enable your activity status, you just have to turn on this button. That's it. So this is how to enable Active Now on Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.